iQOO will unveil the iQOO 15 on October 20th in an event in Shenzhen, China. The brand shared some images of iQOO 15, revealing its color option and giving us a fair idea about the smartphone design. Now, iQOO 15 has appeared in an unboxing video posted on Antutu by Vivo. The iQOO 15 will came in a black color retail box and the rear panel covered with the AG frosted glass having an AF coating, featuring the Monster Inside text along the iQOO logo and blue-red colored design highlighting iQOO's partnership with BMW M Series Motorsport. You can also see iQOO 15 back panel is flatter compared to predecessor. The camera island has 3 cameras and its design is very similar to iQOO 13, but the LEDs is now placed around the camera ring. It features a punch hole display with the right side having power button and volume slider, and at the bottom you get a USB port flanked by microphone, a speaker grill and SIM card slot. Up top is another speaker. The retail box appears to be having an high protective case. The one thing that disappointment is the charging speed of the iQOO 15. It will come with 100 watt flash charging while the earlier version came with 120 watt fast charging. Reliable tipster DCS has previously said iQOO 50 will have 100 watt charging and the inclusion of 100 watt powerless adapter in the phone's retail package. It's worth noting the iQOO 15 will come with 7000 mAh battery, which will be a huge upgrade over current generation 6000 mAh battery.